Now, this is how you can stop the parental controls on the Android. Let's get into it. So if you decided that you no longer want to apply those for someone else or whatever, then you can essentially just open up the settings and from the main section, just scroll down until you find the digital well-being and parental controls, right? So this page allows you to see the exact usage of this phone, right? And you can set goals and timers and monitor stuff. And that's pretty cool. And right here, you can manage it properly. And if you don't like anything else, you can basically just tap on individual things and turn off the timers right there. Well, the possibility is that it will be password protected. So, of course, it will require you to type in the passcode or password in order to perform any change. But once you do in here, you can, for example, just turn off the timer for a specific app which was set, or the goal, or the volume monitor, or the parental controls right there have its own like separate tab and whatever, right? So you can manage it directly in here. However, Androids have like a different or one more option on how you can control it, especially through Google accounts, and that is by using the Family Link app, which is an app from Google, and it just allows you to basically connect to your child's or someone else's Google account and monitor what exactly they do. And this can, of course, be managed inside of this specific Google Family Link application. So this might be the second place where you might look for these parental controls. Anyways, that's it. That's how it works. If you have more questions about it, let me know below about them. Perhaps I might make an updated video or reply to you, whatever, we'll see. But thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials and videos like this one, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one.